Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a password field to your WooCommerce register form. This is a useful customization if you want to give users more control over their account security right from the registration stage. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. This will bring you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with several options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install new plugins to extend your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page where you can see all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in WooCommerce password. From the search results, look for a plugin called Ultimate Member User Profile, Registration, Login, Member Directory, Content Restriction, and Membership plugin. This is a comprehensive plugin that handles various aspects of user registration and profile management. Click on More Details to see an overview of the plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers so you know exactly what you're installing. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient as the plugin downloads and sets up. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin on your site. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh and you'll be brought back to your WordPress dashboard. Now look at your left navigation panel again and you'll notice a new menu item called Ultimate Member. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Ultimate Member Settings page where you can configure how the plugin works on your site. On the Settings page, look at the top side menu and click on Account. This section controls various account-related settings for your users. From here, the process is pretty much straightforward. Scroll down until you find the option that says Require Password to Update Account. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable this feature. This ensures that users will need to enter a password when updating their account information, adding an extra layer of security to your registration form. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to retain the settings you just configured. This will apply the password field to your WooCommerce register form, giving your users the ability to set their own password during registration. And that's it. You've successfully added a password field to your WooCommerce register form using the Ultimate Member plugin. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.